When we are alone, there's no need to hide your body, your soul. I want it all. Feeling each other, touching each other. Let's leave everything behind, because tonight we're going to shine. Two bodies united until beyond. Let's fly, let's fly. Illuminating the path, I can't speak, I'm a riddle. With your body so close, I feel your voice. I wanna describe the moment, but I can't, I don't feel safe. Your colors twisting my understanding. Silently I watch you, colors in motion. Let's leave everything behind, because tonight we're going to shine. Two bodies united until beyond. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. And now I see you and me, swimming in the carpet. Me and you, I see, talking to the toilet. Please don't eat my clothes, let me paint it first. All I wanted is kiss your soul. Let's leave everything behind, because tonight we're going to shine. Two bodies united until beyond. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. And now I see you and me, swimming in the carpet. Me and you, I see, talking to the toilet. Please don't eat my clothes, let me paint it first. All I wanted is kiss your soul. Let's leave everything behind, because tonight we're going to shine. Two bodies united until beyond. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. Wake up every morning, put my feet on the ground, try to make my way through this crazy town. Got my dreams in my pocket and my heart in my hands, but life keeps knocking me down. I can't seem to understand. Oh, I can't get it right, no matter how I try. I'm reaching for the stars, but they're too high in the sky. Every step I take, I stumble and I fall. Oh, I can't get it right, can't get it right at all. I work 2 jobs just to pay the rent, but the money slips away like it's heaven sent.